Hey guys, it's me 1234 Beyblade and welcome back to another Beyblade video. This time I'm gonna be going outside in a snowstorm and we're gonna be blading, so it's very deep outside. Like, the snow is so deep. I don't even know how this is gonna turn out. I'm only gonna be bringing a couple of Beyblades because the snow is so deep that literally I can lose my Beyblade. So I don't want to risk that. So I'm gonna be bringing a couple of them. So yeah, let's just go. All right, guys. So here we go in this epic blizzard, scissored, whatever you want to call it. Crap, it's really deep, the snow. No! My phantom is gone forever. Go shoot. No! I hate gloves. Go shoot. Put some more snow on there. Alright, Nightmare X1. Go shoot. Go shoot. Shoot. Alright, Diablo Nemesis is OP. Fire Freeze Dark Helm. Ah, no! Damn it, that base lost. Shoot. Alright, last base Ver so let's go. Wow, and Harris surprisingly beats Diablo. So I'm gonna try to get some Beyblades out. Wow. Ah, cold. No. Bad decision. No! Okay. Sorry, guys, but this is all I can really do. The snow is way too deep. My foot is covered in snow. It's getting really cold, so I'm gonna go. Sorry for this short video, but it's better than nothing, am I right? So I'll let you guys know if I find all my bays, so see you guys later.